In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check who owes who in Splitwise. If you use Splitwise to track shared expenses with friends, family, or roommates, it's really important to know exactly who owes money to whom. This helps you avoid confusion, keeps everyone on the same page, and makes it easier to settle up when the time comes. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps to see who owes who in any of your Splitwise groups or friend lists. First, open Splitwise and go to your main dashboard. You can do this in a browser or through the app, whichever you prefer. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of your groups and your individual friends. A group might be something like apartment, trip, or family, while friends are people you track expenses with one-on-one. To start, click on a group or select a friend from this list. This is the key first step because Splitwise shows who owes who based on the context you choose. If you click a group, you'll see the balances and debts for everyone in that group. If you click a single friend, you'll see just the balance between you and that person. After you've selected a group or friend, look over to the right side of the screen. In this area, Splitwise shows a summary of balances. You'll see a section that clearly indicates who owes you money or if you owe someone else. The wording might say something like you owe or owes you, followed by names and amounts. This section is where you check who owes who. For example, if you're in a group, you might see that one person owes you a certain amount, and you might owe another person a different amount. If you're viewing a single friend, you'll simply see whether you owe them, they owe you, or if you're all settled up. Take a moment to review this right-hand panel carefully. It's designed to give you a quick snapshot of the current state of your balances. If anything looks off, you can scroll through the group's expenses or the shared expenses with that friend to double-check entries. And that's all you need to do. By selecting the right group or friend and then checking the balances on the right side of the screen, you can easily see exactly who owes who in Splitwise and keep your shared expenses organized and transparent.